you can see, those lights are not working well. So we are planned to repair that lights by the donation.
For collecting donation, we choose Ganesh festival for a reason. We prepared co-friendly Ganesh to create awareness on chemical fire, free water pollution, safe Nimarjam in the community.
So we put a stall near to our center to sell our handmade Ganesh idols.
We're happy to meet lot of people to visit our stalls, and we were able to introduce our bright future, how it enlight our future.
Explained our cause to everyone who visited, and many kindly donated extra funds.
A local newspaper even wrote about our activity on 27th August. Thanks to everyone who made this activity success. And we are happy that we are able to reach our target audience.
These funds we will repair our classroom lights very soon. Thank you.